India's first COVID-19 vaccine consignment were shipped from Pune early on Tuesday with 56.5 lakh doses expected to be transported during the day by Air India, SpiceJet, Go Air and Indigo. The first flight carrying Serum Institute of India's Covishield vaccine was SpiceJet's SG8937 that left for Delhi carrying 34 boxes weighing 1088 kilograms just after 8 am on Tuesday. Shortly after the SpiceJet flight departed, Go Air's flight G8904 left for Chennai from Pune. The flights carried 56.5 lakh doses to Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Guwahati, Shillong, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Bhubaneswar, Patna, Bangalore, Lucknow and Chandigarh. For some destinations like Vijayawada, Shillong, etc., to where passenger flights are not scheduled, the vaccine will be transported on freighter flights. The maiden consignment of the vaccine in 3 trucks was rolled out of the Serum Institute of India facility around 5 am on Tuesday, which was then loaded on the SpiceJet flight. On Monday, Centre signed a contract with Serum Institute of India for the supply of 11 million doses of Covishield. The country will start its mass inoculation program against COVID-19 on January 16th. Around 3 crore healthcare workers and frontline workers will be the first in line to receive the shot. At least 70 lakh healthcare workers will be administered the vaccine over the next 3 months. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also yesterday said that the cost of vaccinating the frontline and healthcare workers in phase 1 will be borne by the centre. Watch the visuals. Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.